Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today I'm gonna do a real quick review on this helmet I bought from Walmart. It was $28. I bought it for $18, well, plus taxes, so but just for home use, so I didn't expect nothing super cool about this one. But anyway, just look how I don't know if you should be able to see this. See how the plastic is like came super deformed. So I guess I'm not worried about that much. But look at this part. I'm gonna take it apart. I just put it together. But the way it goes, right now I have, like a quick job. Just got the helmet and, planning to do this. See this hole to secure your whatever the head, whatever you call this thing, anyway, not important. And the stopping holes over here. Now look at this bracket. See see how much off it is. This thing's supposed to, so it wouldn't slide on you, you go through the hole over here, and one of those, you should pick one of the holes over here, so you can see it's about, I'd say, what, about ½ inch off. So anyway, not a big deal. Basically right now I don't have time for this, but what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna return it. It's $18, so I mean, what do you expect? So I'm just gonna drill three holes over here. So come on, when this support plastic bracket piece would go over here and actually lug it, it wouldn't slide, but anyway, it's not important. So at this point though, I'm about to try it to actually, and I'm not gonna show obviously the welding part, but in a minute I'm about to try to actually see how this thing working. And I used to be a welder years ago, and this automatic thingy in there actually had batteries. This one doesn't have any batteries, so I don't know if this solar two pieces over here should actually take care of it. I don't know, but so I'm gonna see how this thing is actually working. So that's how it looks from inside, and that's about it about this helmet. So super cheap plastic, but if you want a nice one, you gotta pay $100 or something. So, and this thing looks like not from the same set, or somebody's computer got off and these holes got drilled on the wrong spot. So anyway, not a big deal, just the funny part. So let me try the welding part, to finish this review, if this thing actually worth $18, because if it doesn't work when you're welding, this is, but anyway, we'll see. So we'll get back to you in a minute. I'll get back to you in a minute. So I'm back from my test, and what can I say about this helmet? It's okay. Obviously all of this for $18 is a bargain, I think. Even $30, the original price, would be okay. I mean, this deformation, I mean, it's not that big of a deal really. This is kind of funny. The holes are gonna drill a few ones and it will be just fine. But the speed of the lens, it's a little bit slow. But then again, this is not $100. This is $18. So what do you expect for $18? I mean, just the first spark, like I said, a bit slow, but after that, it's a very okay-ish helmet. And for $18, I'm satisfied. So that's the review of this. I think Chinese or whatever, very cheap helmet from Walmart. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to shoot me a like and subscribe to my channel.